flight nonstop to Copenhagen. I'm on my way to Copenhagen, and then I'm going to hang out with my friends in Barcelona. What about you?
Came straight from New York, flew direct to Barcelona. Super excited.
I was also US direct to Barcelona. I flew straight from Boston to Rome, and then I was in Rome for my birthday.
Feliz cumpleaños.
We are in Barcelona.
That statue is older than Ida.
Yes, we're such babies.
So I was doing some research and I found this amazing labyrinth and I think we should check it out.
Good.
Real race. Last one at the center buys tapas. Go. Which way? I'm lost. Let's go that way.
I want what's local, what's culture, tapas. Quisiera patatas bravas. Gracias.
Patatas bravas.
Patatas bravas.
Papas fritas.
Oh God. This fried eggplant is out of this world.
Salud.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Hey!
No, don't give up.
Up or down?
Today you guys are here to learn how to make one of Spain's most emblematic dishes, which is the paella.
This is my kind of cooking.
Right now we're browning the mushroom.
Browning the mushrooms.
Delicioso.
That's awesome.
This is traditional vegetarian paella.
Crispy bits on the bottom. He said that's the best part.
Delicioso.
Oh my God.
I can't believe we made this.
It would be so easy to make this at home.
In Spain we say salud, so salud to the chefs, to you guys. Cheers.
I just feel like Barcelona is a city that's made to be shared with friends.